Second become students. Please note the problem. Income from salary. Calculate the income from salary given below. He is the private employee. Basic pay 30,000 per month. DA 60% on basic. Commission 8,000 per month per annum. RPF Recognized Provident Fund 48,000. Interest and 12%. RPF 6,000. Entertainment allowance 6,000 for annum. HRA 10,000 for month. Rent paid 12,000 for month. Education allowance 6,000. It is the problem. Next solution is, first we draw the table, particulars, total rupees, calculation of the income from salary. First we take the basic pay 30,000 into 12 months, 33 lakhs 36 3 lakhs 60,000, and the 60% DA on basic 3 lakhs 60,000 into 60 by 100, 2 lakhs 16,000, commission 8,000, and RPF 12% on basic. So first they give the RPF 48,000, put in the inner column, and we give the reduction only 12% on the basic. So basic is the 3,60,000 into 12 by 100. We got the 43,200. We less the 48,000. We got the 4,800 is the taxable. So next the interest and RPF 12% is the 6,000. We are giving the reduction only 9.5%. So 6,000 into 9.5% by 12%. We got the 4,750. So we less into the 6,000. We got the 1,250. It is the taxable. So next is the entertainment allowance 6,000 for annum. And the education allowance, they give the 6,000. We put in the inner column and we reduct the education allowance. That is the, we are giving only 2 persons, 2 children for month, 100 into 12 months, 2,400. We less the 6,000 and it is the 3,600 is the taxable. So next one is the HRA. There is the more and most important point. There is the 3 points. We take the least of the 3 in the HRA. So first one is the received HRA 10,000 into for annum, 10,000 for month into yearly 12 months, 1,20,000. Second one is the rent paid minus 10% on basic. Rent paid 12,000 for month into 12 months and the 10% on basic. So 12,000 into 12 months and the 3,60,000 into 10 by 100. And please we add the DA also. We got the 5,000, 5,76,000 into 10 by 100. So we less the total amount and the 40% on basic. 5,76,000 into 40 by 100. We got the 2,30,400. So least of the 3 is the 57,600. We minus into the received HRA 1,20,000 minus 56,600. So taxable is the 62,400. So when we add the total amounts, that is the 3,60,000, 2,16,000, 8,000, 4,800, 1,250, 6,000, 3,600, and 3,600, 62,400. We got the gross profit 6,62,050 rupees is the gross salary. So next we deduct the under section 16(2) reductions. Oh, he is the private employee. So there is the no reduction of the entertainment allowance. So we put the entertainment, we are giving the any reduction to the private employee. So total amount is the 6,62,050 rupees. It is a gross profit and it is also the, there is no reduction to the private employee. So it is mostly we got the Total taxable income 6,62,050 rupees. Total we bill the taxable income. Please note this one. Thank you.